In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to add a highway carrier code to your company profile with a mobile device. Once you're logged into BorderConnect, to add a new carrier code, click the menu icon at the top, and then click Account. Then click Company Details, and this will bring you to the Company Details page. Then scroll down to the Canadian Carrier Codes list section, and click New Canadian Carrier Code. Now enter the 4-character carrier code and the legal company name the carrier code is registered to. Then click Save. Now you can see that the carrier code has been added to your list of active carrier codes, and you're now free to use this carrier code when creating an ACI shipment in scenarios where you'll be hauling another carrier shipment, for example. So now let's use this new carrier code on an ACI shipment. Once you're on the Start New ACI Shipment page and you select your shipment type, then go to the Cargo Control Number field and just tap the carrier code to change it from your default carrier code to the carrier code you just added. And now you can match the other carrier's cargo control number and continue creating your shipment. In many cases, if the carrier is not registered with BorderConnect, they will have to create the ACI shipment using a different service provider, and you'll have to reference their shipment in BorderConnect. To learn how to create an ACI eManifest with a referenced shipment, click the link at the top of the video now. Additionally, if you wanted to change your default carrier code, which auto-populates when starting a new ACI eManifest or ACI shipment, go to Account, then click Company Settings. Then, in the ACI eManifest Settings section, under the Default Carrier Code setting, tap the Carrier Code drop-down and change your default carrier code. Then at the top, click Save. Now when you create a new ACI eManifest or shipment, it'll automatically default to that carrier code. To learn how to add a new carrier code from a laptop or desktop, click the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.